in the flower bed, sneezed real loud and I shook its head. Munni said, "You silly thing, let's flap our wings and try to sing." The first chick jumped in a flower bed, sneezed real loud and shook its head. Munni said, "You silly thing, let's flap our wings and try to sing." The second chick ran up a hill, slid down fast with a giggly thrill. Chunni laughed, hold on tight, as feathers flew left and right. The third chick peeked in a shiny pot. Oh wow, wow, it chirped, a treasure spot. They found some seeds and tiny toys, jumping high with peeps of joy. The fourth one danced near the stream, splish, splash, splash like in a dream. Munni sang, "Let's all hop too." The chicks all twirled, 1, 3, 2. The fifth one looked up at the sky, saw a kite go floating by. Chunni Munni ran to race, with 5 chicks giggling into space. 5 little chicks, bold and bright, explored the day and laughed with delight. Fluffy fun from dawn till night, with Chunni Munni, oh what a sight!